Hey, I'm Nick.
And I'm Patrick.
And today we're going to share a 13-point pre-ride checklist to help you avoid unexpected problems on your next ride.
Let's do it.
Let's get it. Before we jump into it, I just want to stress the importance of preventative maintenance on your bike. Using this checklist before every ride can save you from bigger issues down the road, like equipment failures, worn out parts that lead to broken parts, or even dangerous riding situations. Regular maintenance intervals help extend the life of your parts and give you a consistent, predictable, and safe ride. Pat's going to walk us through some critical components that he checks on a regular basis, keeping his bikes ready to ride all season long. Let's start with the ABCs. Always be checking. Give your bike a walk around and visually inspect, looking for any missing, loose, or broken parts before proceeding. Next, let's install the battery. Then make sure it's fully charged. Once you've confirmed this, install the connectors on your cables, making sure they're locked in tight. Now let's check the tire pressure. Low tire pressure causes premature tire wear and flats. Start with the max PSI listed on the tire sidewall, then adjust to your preference. Now look for wear or punctures and fix or replace the tire if needed. Now's also a good time to confirm that your rotors aren't warped or rubbing the brake pads. Minor warping can usually be realigned to reduce or eliminate rubbing. Now we tighten up our axles, axle pinch bolts, and brake caliper brackets. Don't forget to check both sides, front and back. Ensure that your cables are still snug and securely mounted. Now let's check your brakes. As a rule of thumb, if your pads are thinner than a dime or under 1.5mm thickness, it's almost time to replace them to maintain stopping power and protect your rotors. Let's check out the drivetrain. If your bike has a drive belt, make sure it's clean, tight, and free of damage and debris. Your chain should have a little bit of slack in it, but no more than what you see here. Be sure to clean and lube your chain frequently. Less dirt and grime reduce premature wear on your chain and sprockets. One of our favorite products to use at the shop is Muc-Off's chain cleaner with the Oink mess-free applicator. It's probably the most convenient and least messy way to clean a chain. After the chain's clean, we follow it up with Muc-Off's all-weather chain lube using the same Oink applicator. Just wipe off any overspray or residue and you're good to go. If you want to pick up some of Muc-Off's chain cleaner, lube, or the Oink applicator, head over to revrides.com. Don't forget to clean your sprockets and inspect them for broken or damaged teeth. Now we'll test the brakes and throttle response. Squeeze your brakes to make sure they're firm and rebound fully when released. Then twist the throttle wide open and then release. It should snap back fully without any binding or sticking. Push, pull, and twist your handlebars to make sure they're tight and solid. Pump the front and rear suspension. Both should compress and rebound smoothly. Last, turn on your bike. Confirm that the display boots and that there are no error codes on the screen. Then you can test your safety devices such as your headlight, horn, and the tail light are working properly. Whether you're looking for a fresh set of brake pads or performance upgrades for your e-moto, RevRides has a huge selection of parts and upgrades to keep you riding all season long.
And for tech tips, product reviews, or any type of other information, be sure to follow RevRides or subscribe on Instagram and YouTube.